Today I am going to teach you two techniques to recover important files on desktop and on other drive when OS crash. First technique: install the crash hard drive onto a running PC and set this crash hard drive as secondary hard drive. Then boot the system. After booting the system, go to my PC. Here all the drives of crash and non-crash drives will be visible here. Then select the drive which you want to recover. For C drive, find the drive which you think is a C drive. Then click on user. Then click on HP. HP here is my computer name. Then click on desktop. Here all the desktop files will be visible. Then click on document. Here all the document files will be visible here. Then click on download. Here all the downloaded files will be visible here. Copy and paste it on a safer drive. Second technique: put the bootable drive and boot the system by this pen drive. Then click next. Then click close. Then click on repair my PC. Then select the keyboard layout. Then click troubleshooting. Then click on command prompt. Then here type notepad.exe. After that click enter. Then notepad will be pop up from by this command. Then click on file. Then click on open. Here all the drives will be visible. You can select the drive which you want to recover and paste it on a pen drive or any drive. In this technique, pasting takes a lot of copying takes a lot of times, and progress bar is also not shown. In this way we recover desktop and other